Let's have a look at connecting components and detaching components. So say I have a sphere, it's one object, I just created it, and I want to detach part of it. So what I could do is I could go to face, select some faces. Let's do it nicely. I selected some faces, almost nicely. And now to detach it and to have it as a separate object, we'll have to go to edit mesh and extract. So now I extracted the mesh and you see it's two objects, two separate objects. I could just move them apart if I wanted to, undo. And we have two separate meshes. Now if I want to connect them back, shift select, mesh, combine. Now it's one mesh, but see it has this weird line. Why? So even though it connected, we still have gaps here. You see? Undo. So what I want to do is to get rid of the gaps. I select all of it and I will merge them. So we go to merge, and here we'll have to define a distance. So this probably is too big. Oh, that was too big. You see, I just lost the pole of the thing, of the sphere. I go with 001, and let's see if I succeeded. Where was this? This line. So on the first glance, I didn't, because there is still a gap, and nope, there is no gap. Well, what happens? What happened? So we'll need to learn what is a hard line and soft line in Maya. So if I select a couple of edges, shift right click, and I can make them hard or soft edges. Let's make them hard. And you see I have another cut here. So this is a hard edge. And they're good to define edges, to define something like a change of the material, change of the shape, or something like that. Okay, but I don't want that. Let's get rid of it. Select all of it, shift right click, soften edge, object mode, and we have a sphere as it used to be. So that was detaching and attaching components. With that we can learn also bridge. Let's do again some detachment. So I'll try to be precise this time. So if I go to mesh, edit mesh and extract, now that's a separate object. I move it up. And let's say model, I do something else, and now I decide again I need to connect them, but I would like their positions here as they are right now. So again, shift, mesh, combine, and we still have this hole. So what to do? I go to edge mode, I double click the edge. So you see if I double click, I select edge loop. That works also here. You see edge loop or ring. I'm not sure if it's called a ring in Maya. So double click. If the topology of the object is good, Maya will try to select the loop. So I have that, shift select that, shift right click, and there should be bridge. And here you go, I have a bridge. And it has hard edges. Maybe I don't like it. Since we already learned how to do it, let's make these as a soft edge. And here you go, it looks pretty nice.